Okay, so here I have our code, and if I go ahead and run it, this is our main GUI window. So it'll automatically open up to our dashboard. So if I, this has some statistics here. If we go here, this has a list of our portfolios. This has a list of our transactions. Here we've got a button to add a portfolio, and a button to add a transaction. Here we've got a list of portfolios, so if we need to edit anything, we can just click on, and we can either delete or update. We can change the type here. If we go to transactions, if we click on it, same thing, got the type here. We can update or delete. So let's just say, for example, I want to change that to, I paid a fee of $1.50. I can update it. Now, one thing is we could not figure out in time how to do a refresh button. So to see the change, we do have to exit out and run again. But see, now you can see that there's a fee paid. Also, if we go to our transactions, we can, let's just say we can delete this one. Are we sure? Yes. If we exit out and run it again, we'll see that that transaction that was there is now gone, and it affected our dashboard as well. And also we can see, if we open up our database, if we check to make sure that it's storing, we can see that the portfolios are being stored here, and the transactions are being stored here as well. And that's it. That is our project.